But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold.
One thing about me, I have a plan and no one can tell me nothing about it. So this is my ring light, ne? My ring light. This was on top here, like this thing was not here. There was a ring light like this, you know, must a ring light. And then because of moving out, it got damaged. And then I had this tripod for years. Ne? I don't like this tripod because I feel like it's not strong. Okay, sharp, it's stable, but then whenever I put my phone here, ear jump, which I don't know why. I'm still gonna try it now if it's not gonna jump. And then I decided to remove this phone holder. What do you call this thing? I don't know. It's not stable, you see, like it's not stable, but I hope it's gonna push me because I'm still budgeting for a ring light and this tripod that comes with the remote. So I took it here. Even this one, you see, it was taking. Then I decided to put a super glue so that it can be strong. So it was strong before I got the new one, the tripod. So now I have a tripod stand. So I hope it's gonna push me. I will update you guys if it's working or what. What? I have a plan. Like, put some respect on my name. What? Okay, I tried to put it here, but it's not stable, like iyashelela. So I think I need to put something here. I don't know what, but I will definitely think of something. So, yo.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no.
Guys, I want to show you something. I don't know what's wrong with this light. Is something wrong in this house or what? I'm just gonna put you here and you'll see it yourself. Just gonna leave you here. You're gonna see it. You see? Aha! It's off. Mind you, it's off. Here. Like this is on. It's off. You will see.
Okay, the instruction says you need 4 extra large eggs, you need 3 milliliter cooking oil, you need 400 milliliter water. So you mix everything, the liquid aside and then the powder on the other bowl. I hope you can hear me because of the noise. And then, yeah, let's do it. this measurement cup. Okay, I just want to show you how it looks. It looks like this, and then I need to add water in here, and then the mix, the powder is gonna go in here. I'm also vlogging for TikTok, so let's do that. I'm trying to save space this side because I don't have enough storage, but yeah. Is too small, so I'm done with the mixing. I just need the water in here, and then I'm gonna use this one for the flour. Guys, I'm done with my mix. It's like this. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, so it's supposed to, oh, I'm sorry, that was my battery. It's supposed to. So guys, today you didn't see my face because of I look crusty. So yeah, I'm done baking. I just need to clean up the mess and then go and bath and prepare for work tomorrow. Then I'm gonna see you guys during the week. Then I'm gonna post this vlog on Sunday because I wanna continue with this vlog. I have an event on Saturday, so I'm gonna see you guys during the week. Finally, I am done, guys. I am done. So I made this much. Yeah, because I don't stay alone, so yeah, that's why I made this much. So yeah.
What you need to find, tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is the place.
Malefies, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today it's a Saturday and we are going to Hatfield Freshers. I don't have time, that's why I'm trying to be fast. I didn't get ready with you cause the time. Yeah guys, I'm done doing my makeup, all dressed. Then I'm just gonna request, and it was raining, but now it stopped. it's not cold, but it's still like, you know, after rain was. But anyways, let's go. Yesterday I was out. I went to Moloko in Main Lane, but today we are going again. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get there. I just wanted to do this intro because I know when I get there I won't even do an intro. So let's go.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me?